Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. First of all, click on the square button over here and tap on the top left corner on Floating Windows feature. Now select an app that you wish to open by tapping on the chosen one. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, hold this blue line and drag it. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, click on the other app and operate in both of them. If you want to close this app completely, you need to click on the square button and simply close it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!